Before you invest another hour or another dollar building your brand, you need to know this. Someone else may already own the rights to the name you're using. And if that's true, you could be setting yourself up for a forced rebrand, legal headaches, or much worse. The good news, there's a way to check in just a few minutes. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office provides a free public database called TESS, the Trademark Electronic Search System. Go on over to USPTO.gov, click on Trademarks, Search, and type in your brand name when you get to the TESS page. We'll search for Legit Podcast Pro and run the search. If you see the exact name registered and live in your category for goods and services, stop right there. Time to rethink. Scenario number 2. It's unclear. Maybe you see something close or what might be considered confusingly similar. This is where professional help is important because it's not always black and white. And then there's scenario 3. It looks clear. If you don't see conflicts, congratulations, your brand may be available. But until you register it, you don't really own it. This 5-minute check could save you thousands of dollars, months of wasted effort, and the heartbreak of losing a brand you love. So now you know how to check. But what happens if you wait too long to act? Let me share some real stories that show just how costly waiting can be. Click now to watch the real cost of waiting too long for trademarks.